Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing another AK versus AR. This time we're going to be shooting this old car up. Our scenario here is we've got a couple of invisible bad guys just behind that second door. We're going to see which one of these rifles has got what it takes to punch through, take them out. You ready?
Ready.
We got standard velocity full metal jackets, the heavier, slower round of the AK, or the faster, lighter round of the AR-15. Let's see which one can get the job done. Ladies first. Well, if the group's what we're going for, you definitely got me beat. Kirsty definitely got the better group on the left. 10 rounds of 223. 10 rounds of 7.62 by 39. Let's go right around to the other side and take a look. Looks like we got 10 pretty massive holes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We also had 2 1-inch pieces of press board back here, and as you can see, about almost every one of them punched through. On the AK, the AR had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like it had some. That was really smart, wasn't it? Look at that.
What'd you cut on?
That dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this whole thing is just full of shrapnel where that 223 bullet broke up. Take care of that. 3 pass-throughs on that one.
Look at the back. Look at the difference in the back.
There's the AK, AR. I don't know, if you're wanting to punch through some steel, I'd probably have to go with the AK.
I'm thinking so.
The AR definitely got the best of me though. Okay, we just put 10 rounds out of each rifle so we could get a good idea of what kind of damage each one of them would do. Each one of them would definitely get the job done. AR-15 definitely took better care of me than the AK did. If there was really some bad guys behind that car, we would probably take just a little bit different approach. Let us demonstrate. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out our previous AR versus AK videos. Leave us a comment below. Let us know which one of these rifles you prefer. I really like both of them. I kind of lean towards the AK. Kirsty really likes the AR. They both have their purpose, I guess. So, thanks a lot for watching. Click like, share, follow us on Facebook. Y'all have a good one. Did we hit the car?
I don't know.
Looks sexy.
Thank you.
Sure you're hot.
Thank you. He's in the line.
Look at me. You look sexy. Here we go. Hey everybody.
Sorry, Skeeter Bot.
Are you alright? You want some spray?
Huh?
You want some spray?
No, let's get this going. So what are we going to do? Are we going to spin and say go, or are we just going to spin and shoot?
Just spin and shoot it.
Alright. So I need to probably, okay.
Okay guys, we just put 10 rounds each to kind of get
Hey,
a...
I was messing with my hair.
Okay, we just put those 10 rounds
minute.
each.
Every time you go, alright, go.